Muhammad bin Abdul Rahman says that an Iraqi asked him to ask Urwa bin Zubair, can a person who has worn ihram for Hajj take off ihram after performing the circumambulation of the house? If he replies in the negative, tell him that a man says that he can exit ihram. Muhammad bin Abdul Rahman says that he asked Urwa about it. He whereupon said, whosoever has worn ihram for Hajj cannot exit ihram without completing the Hajj. I said, a man says that he can exit the ihram. Urwa said, he has said something awful. That Iraqi then met me and asked me. I whereupon conveyed him Urwa's verdict. He said, say to Urwa that a man says that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam as well as Hazrat Asma and Hazrat Zubair radiyallahu anhu has done. So Muhammad bin Abdul Rahman says that he again visited Urwa and notified him of it. He asked, who is this man? I said, I do not know. He said, what is the matter? Why does not he himself come to me to ask the precept? I think he will be an Iraqi. I said, I do not know. Urwa said, he tells a lie. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed Hajj, and Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha narrated this hadith to me, that on reaching Makkah Mukarramah, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam first of all performed ablution and performed the circumambulation of the house. Then Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu performed pilgrimage, and the first act he performed was the circumambulation of Allah's house. And he then did nothing save performing Hajj. Later on, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu also did the same. Thereafter, Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhu performed the Hajj, and I saw that he also first of all performed the circumambulation of Allah's house and then did nothing except performing the Hajj. Then Hazrat Muawiyah and Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhum performed Hajj. I then performed Hajj along with my father Hazrat Zubair bin al-Awam radiyallahu anhu. He also first of all performed the circumambulation of Allah's house and then did nothing save performing the Hajj. And I also cited the emigrants as well as the helpers doing the same, and they would do nothing except it. The last one whom I espied doing the same was Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu. He also did not take off the ihram for Hajj after performing the Umrah, and Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu is present among them. Why do they not ask this question? Similarly, whenever our companions who had passed away would visit Makkah Mukarramah, they would first of all perform the circumambulation of Allah's house and then they would not exit the ihram. I have also seen my mother Hazrat Asma and my maternal aunt Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha that they after reaching Makkah Mukarramah would first of all perform the circumambulation of Allah's house and would not exit ihram. And my mother has told me that she, her sister and Hazrat Zubair and so performed only Umrah, and when they honored the black stone, they exited ihram, and whatever the Iraqi has said about this issue has told a lie. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2991.